Today I'm gonna make stuffed peppers. Make, of course, 1 pepper per person, minimum. But we're gonna start with roasting of the peppers. John, get inside the peppers here. So what I did is scoop out all of the fibrous bits of the inside of the pepper and all of the seeds, of course, and I saved the tops. And I have salt and pepper and olive oil spray, non-aerosol spray. And then we're gonna roast them about 400. This is a Celsius reading on this. It may be 425. On the center rack for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna turn on a pan with enough olive oil to coat the bottom in one even thin layer. 3 to 4 tablespoons. Just coat the bottom. And the first thing we need to do is melt the anchovy. I used about 4 or 5 anchovies here. And there's what it looks like when the anchovies melt. Look at that. Cool, right? Now we're gonna add a spoonful of Calabrian chili paste or a teaspoon of chili flake, like a good tablespoon. If you're using the paste, a good teaspoon if you're using the flake. About a half a cup of chopped oil-cured black olives, or whatever black olives you have in the house or the pantry. 3 or 4 tablespoons of Italian capers. Well, it could be anybody's capers. Mine happens to be Italian. French capers are perfectly allowed. And 1 bulb, 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. And then in my case, instead of canned tomatoes again, so we don't have the stuffed peppers become too wet, we're using about 1/4 cup of tomato paste or sun-dried tomato paste, which is what I'm using. About 1/4 cup, stir to wake it up because it's been sitting in a tube. And then we're gonna add about 1/2 cup of dry vermouth. About 2 slow turns of the pan. So I'm cooling our par-cooked peppers. The pasta water's up to a boil. I liberally salted it once it came to a full rolling rapid boil. And now we're adding 1 pound of bucatini. And I'm gonna add a little tiny bit extra because I'm making extra peppers. I just wanna make sure I have enough to generously fill all the peppers. So I'm just gonna add an extra little handful there. And we're gonna undercook this as we always do by a good solid minute or 2. So now we're gonna take a little of our starchy, salty cooking water. Turn your stove off. The pasta is a little tough still, a little bit undercooked, but very pliable. It's close to being all the way there. Now we're gonna drain it. We combine it with the sauce. Again, we need this to be cool enough to manipulate and handle. Now we're going to add our herbs, 1 cup, parsley, mint, oregano, a little of our starchy cooking water, and about, 1/3 or a little more of our finely chopped kind of innocuous cheese, the mozzarella. Here it's just working as glue for the stuffing of the peppers. And now we turn this slowly to get everything equally distributed, and we cool again. I'm twisting the last of our bucatini here. You literally have to twist it around your tongs. I closed the tongs so I can negotiate it into the peppers. I take every last scrap, seriously. Just pile it in, every last little bit. Then we take the last of our mozzarella and we distribute that over the top. Now we'll put it in the oven one last time just to melt the cheese quickly. So I chopped a little bit extra of that herb combo. I'll put those on top. You just put it off to the side a bit. See, so that the pasta is peeking through.